So this is a short video on how to make your Clawbot move in a square. I'm going to go ahead and click on the circular Robot C icon. I'm going to go to File, Open Sample Program, and I'm going to make sure again I'm in the Vex2 folder. If this says VexIQ, I'm going to go back, click on Sample Programs, and click on Vex2. I'm going to go ahead and click on Basic Movement and Moving Forward. So again, I have to adjust the hardware setup. We plug the right motor into port 10 and the left motor into port 1, so those are the first things I have to do. And then we have the moving forward code that you guys hopefully are familiar with by now. So this basically says when I execute this code, it's going to wait 2 seconds, and then the right motor and the left motor are both going to move at full power for 3 seconds. So my robot's just going to move forward for 3 seconds. So I want it to move forward, then I want it to make a point turn left. So I'm going to go over here to File, then Open Sample Programs, and I'm going to click on Point Turns. This time I want it to move left, so I'm going to click, I'm going to highlight the Turn Left at Full Power chunk of code. I'm going to go back to the tab I was just working on, and I'm just going to paste that code right beneath the first chunk. So now my robot's going to move forward for 3 seconds, and it's going to make a point turn left at full power for 0.75 seconds. So I want it to move in a square, and 0.75 seconds seems maybe a little bit too long. Maybe I want, instead of it moving for 0.75 seconds, I want it to move for 0.5 seconds. So that would just be 500 milliseconds. So instead of, it's going to turn for a little bit shorter amount of time than 0.75 seconds. I think 0.5 should do the trick. So if my robot was going forward for 3 seconds, I only want it to turn 90 degrees. You might have to adjust 500 to 400 or 300 depending on how the robot reacts. So again, it's a quick and easy change. You just change this 750 to 500. After that, so right now my robot's moving forward, then it's turning left. Now I want it to move forward again. So I'm just going to go ahead and copy this. And beneath my point turn, I'm going to paste the move forward at full power for 3 seconds again. So now it's going to move forward, it's going to turn left, it's going to move forward. Now I want to turn left again. So I think you guys get the picture right now. So now it's going to move forward, turn left, move forward, turn left, and I'm going to do this 2 more times, and I should have my square. So I'm just going to go ahead and just copy this whole chunk right here and paste it below. So this is it. So if I imagine, I'm just going to go through this in my head really quick to make sure that I have the right chunks of code. So my robot's in front of me, and it's facing forward. I'm going to move forward, I'm going to turn left, I'm going to move forward, I'm going to turn left, I'm going to move forward, I'm going to turn left, and then I just want to move forward 1 more time, and then I will complete my square. So actually this last chunk of code I don't need. So essentially I should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 chunks of code, and then my robot should completely move in a square. So again, you don't want your robot when it turns to move like too much. You just want it to rotate 90 degrees so it makes a nice square. Last but not least, I want to go and make sure I'm in the right communication mode. So I'm going to go to Robot, I'm going to go to Vex Cortex Communication Mode, and I'm going to click on USB only. After that, I'm going to download it to the robot after I plug in the orange USB, and then just unplug the USB, turn the robot on, and the robot should execute the code. Thanks for watching.